Welcome to Extremely Good. And I've got many questions from my friends saying that, hey, how did you get that nice looking Ubuntu orb? So, um, I know this orb is awesome, thank you. That's a bit of boasting. So, how did I get this orb? Well, you can get it too. You don't need to hack some files or do some nonsense like that. Well, all you need to do is uh, download first the application I used for it. Where is it? There. And you go to this website, it'll be there in the description, and you'll see something like this. Wait. Yeah. Startup changer and all that. Well, you can skip this part because that's the actual tutorial given by them, and you can download it over here. So once you have downloaded it, you will get a file which you can extract to the specified folder, which is obviously specified by you. And all you have to do is get to the place where you got it in. Get to the place where you got it in. I don't know what I said right now. I mean, I said something confusing. Get to the place where you got in. Okay, so by the way, you will see some application like this: Windows 7 Startup Changer.exe. Cool. Open that. And this is my virus saying that it could be dangerous. Well, it isn't. And you will see this. And as you can see, there are three images over here: default, hover, pressed. So how do you change it? You click on change. Simple as that. And as you can see, you see a bunch of files here which are like bits of towers with three pictures on it. That's actually an orb file, which will be .png or .bmp. Well, all of this I downloaded except this Ubuntu, which I made on my own using GIMP. Oh, pretty neat. I know I make the best creations. Okay, enough of boasting now. Well, you just select your orb and oh no, what happened to my start bar? What happened to my icons? They'll come back because it was restarting. And it says success, your start hub has changed successfully. Neat looking thing. And when you're done with that, we'll show you your orb. 1 minute, I'll change it to a different one. Yeah. And you'll see that your orb has changed over here. And one thing I wanted to tell you, I'll explain. As you can see, this is how it is. Default, which is right now how it looks. When I hover over it, it'll become the second picture here. And pressed, it becomes the third picture, which is the same, but you can put it whatever you want. So you would have noticed the same thing is there in these towers. The top one is default, hover, and the third one over here is clicked or pressed, whatever, but it's basically clicked. And how did I get so many orbs? Where did I download it? Well, better than leaving you to research, I'll give you the area. Actually, this is not where I downloaded my orbs, but these are a bunch of startups that you can see. Look, it can be anything you wish. Oh, Transformers, not bad. Decepticon, Autobot, Decepticon. Batman. Oh, this reminds me of Tron for some reason. This website has cool orbs. I must consider getting some. Halo. Oh, Halo. Oh, I'm just gonna get this. So you can get many orb files on the internet like these, which you can download. Thanks for watching.